In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache, cookies, and browsing data in Google Chrome step by step. This is one of the easiest ways to fix slow browsing, website loading problems, login issues, and cached errors that can stop pages from working properly. If you want Chrome to run smoother and load websites correctly again, this quick cleanup can make a big difference. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome is open, you're ready for the shortcut that makes this process super fast. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the clear browsing data window instantly, without having to go through a bunch of menus. If you prefer, you can also find this area through Chrome settings, but the keyboard shortcut is definitely the quickest method. Now look at the top of the clear browsing data window and choose a time range. You'll usually see options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and all time. If you only want to clear recent data, you can pick a smaller range. But if your goal is to completely wipe Chrome's cached files, cookies, and browsing history, select all time. That gives you the cleanest reset and is usually the best option when you're troubleshooting browser problems. Next, you need to choose what data you want to delete. Make sure the boxes are checked for browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. These are the main items that affect how Chrome remembers websites and loads pages. Browsing history removes the list of sites you've visited. Cookies and other site data can sign you out of websites and remove stored preferences. Cached images and files help websites load faster, but if they become outdated or corrupted, they can cause display issues, broken layouts, or pages that won't refresh correctly. So if you're having problems with a website not loading the way it should, these are the exact settings you want to clear. If you only want to remove certain types of information, you can leave some boxes unchecked. But for a full cleanup, those 3 options are the most important. Once you've selected the right time range and checked the data you want removed, click Delete Data. Chrome will now begin clearing the selected browser data. Depending on how much information is stored, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. After the process is finished, your Chrome browser will have a fresh start, and many common browsing issues may be fixed right away. If you were signed into websites before, you may need to log back in again because cookies were removed. That's completely normal and part of the process, and that's it. You've now cleared cache, cookies, and browsing data in Google Chrome. This is a simple but powerful trick that can help keep your browser running smoothly and solve a lot of annoying website problems. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.